tutorial we are going to learn how to check the assignment submitted by the student. So first you log in as a tutor or a manager, which I have logged in. Go to your course. Here you can see the assignments. Like in my last tutorial I created one of the assignment. Now you can see one assignment, one submission. Assignment 2, one submission. So how can you check the assignment? Click on the assignment and then you can see all your student. Currently there is only one assignment submitted by one student, but if there are 40, 50 or whatever number of your student, all the assignment will come here. You can check anytime. So I'm checking now. Submit all the I want to check all the assignment. Like yeah, this one is waiting for the grading. So first I want to check the assignment. How can you check? Click on grading. Now you can see the assignment. I use the dummy here. Suppose this is assignment. You can check if there are 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever number of pages. You can check one by one here. Page number 1, page number 2, page number 3. All the graphics, everything will come here. But make sure you tell your student to upload the assignment in PDF format, because this is a PDF view. On the right side you can see here grades. You can give some remarks. This is out of 10. Suppose this one is everything is okay, so on that time suppose I want to give 8 marks and some comments. Well done, but there are no references. You can even record your voice, or you can upload a file here. Attachment you can attach here. You can attach video, image or audio. You can record. Well done guy, you have done, but you have to improve. There is no conclusion, there is no reference, so you have to, so you can add it here. Look at this. This is search option. Here you have some good options for checking. So assignment submitted, this, 8, etc. And then you change. Okay. So now we have marked. Now you go to grade. For this course, grade. This is the student who submitted the assignment, and the assignment grades you can see in the grade book. Even the students, they can see their grade and comment. So that's how you can mark your assignment and grade them. So going to my course, That's all for this tutorial. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe.